Yep, have to tear my trailer apart. Bottomed out and trashed up the underneath. Got to break it all down and start over again. Well, we'll see what we come up with this time. The old trailer broke. Wah. But I built a new one. Yes, it looks just like the old one, except this one is actually bigger. And I'm using a lot of water pipe, zip ties, and my bucket, or my box, is a water tank, or what was a water tank. I cut and measured and widened it out. What I'd like to find is a water tank just like this, except 5 foot long or 5.5 foot long, because that's how tall I am. I could make one that looks just like this that I could boondock in. And look how light this thing went. Look how light this thing is. My foot, folks. I am lifting it with my foot. It's literally no weight, man. Or any wimpy person could do this. And if you got a bunch of old water pipe laying around, no use, this is how you do it. Water pipe, zip ties, duct tape. And look how sturdy it looks. But just enough bounce that when you're hitting a rough road, it will give, which is what I need. I've decided I wanted to cover up some of the ugly plastic on this thing with some of this cool looking contact paper. I think it's starting to look pretty nifty. That's the contact paper. And as you can see, there's still a lot left. I've gotten this much done, and the side is over here, is getting done. So, and no, I'm leaving the blue tarp, just adding the wood sides, using the contact paper. Thinking also about changing the back door, because it's making the ass into the trailer heavy. And I'm thinking about going like a split door. I think that would look much better.